In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Evernote. We'll walk through the process step by step, so even if you're brand new to Evernote or not very confident with technology, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, let's open your web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox, or whichever browser you normally use. In the address bar or search bar at the top of the window, type Evernote and press enter on your keyboard. You should see the official Evernote website at the top of your search results. It usually just says Evernote as the main title. Go ahead and click on that result to open the Evernote homepage. Once the Evernote site loads, look for the option to log in. This is typically found at the top right corner of the page and is labeled Login or Sign In. Click on that and it will take you to the main login page. On the login page, you'll see a few different options. The most common one is to type in your email address. This should be the email you used when you first created your Evernote account. Carefully type your email into the box provided, making sure there are no extra spaces or spelling mistakes. Below or near the email field, you may also see an option to continue with Google. If your Evernote account is linked to your Google account, or if you prefer using your Google login, you can click that button instead. That will open a Google sign-in window where you choose your Google account and follow the prompts. If you choose to sign in with email, after entering your email address, click the button to continue. Evernote will then guide you through the next steps on screen. This may include entering your password, or, if you're using single sign-on or another method, following the specific instructions shown. Take a moment to read each message carefully. If you're asked for your password, type it in slowly and make sure caps lock is not accidentally turned on. If Evernote offers to keep you signed in on that device, only accept this if you're on a private computer that you trust, not a shared or public one. Once you have completed the on-screen prompts, Evernote will log you into your account and you'll be taken to your notes and notebooks. That's all you need to log into Evernote